And you know your family. You know the ones, you know your candidates. December time, the bonus is out. Hulle gaan te keer. Because there's money, extra money now. Hulle is wild. You look at them, you go, ooh. Come January, I must pay for Prit for your child again. You know your people, you can feel it. Hier gaan fout kom. You love your people, maar yo, it's hectic, eh? And you know the broke ones. You know the broke ones. You know who's going to borrow money from you January. You know. Because you know them. Now let me just make it clear. Broke and poor is two different things. Poor, you can't help for poor. Life circumstances. You know what I mean? Poor, for example, you got an old Cressida. You're just trying to fix it up to get the family from A to B. You can't help it. Broke. Great job, fokol geld. You know what I mean? Brokies, I've got a GTI. I sleep by my mommy's house. It's broke. You know, brokies. No, you pay for the tickets. I'll pay you later. You gaan nie jou geld kry nie. See how quiet it got on this side, no? On the way home, jy moet hom betaal, ek laat my nie van my skinnerie. No, broke is real. No, I know broke. I've been broke. Guys, I've been broke. No, I know broke. No, I've made bad decisions too. No, I've paid off an Edgar's account with a credit card. I've been there. I can smell broke a mile away. Oh, no, I sense it. Ek weet wanneer jy geld kom leen. You know how you know, eh? Let me help you if you don't know. If you want to spot a broke person, broke people love sugar. Because that's the only happiness they have in their day. Sugar and Sierwindelaan is all they have left. When they come to your house, you must offer them coffee. They always have a lot of sugar. They love it. For example, if you want to test it on students. Students are always broke. Students, they come to the house, you offer them a coffee. They go, how many sugars would you like? 6! The less sugar, the more money they make. The next year, they get a first job. You go, do you want a cup of coffee? Sorry, no, cappuccino, please. How many sugars? No, 3 sugars. Okay. No, it's going in the right direction. Then they move to middle management. That's when they go macchiato. 2 brown sugars. When they go to brown sugar, you must know, need vitality, no. Discovery is in the